my next video, I'd like to do one on what's called lockdown mode. I'd like to give just kind of a brief explanation of it and how to do it. It's pretty simple. There's not a whole lot going to be to this video. And first I'd like to say I'm using my Samsung S25 Ultra and One UI 8 Beta 3. This might work on the S24. I don't know when the Samsungs got locked down, but anyway, let's dive right in here. So first thing you want to do is you want to go into your settings and let's search for lockdown, and here's show lockdown mode option, and you're going to have to put your pattern in, and here's show lockdown mode option. Display a power button option that turns off, extend, unlock, biometrics unlock, and notifications on the lock screen. So, in other words, what lockdown mode does is you can only use your PIN, pattern, or password. Those three, that's how I remember that. If you're in lockdown mode to unlock your phone, that's all it is. It's just that. You can't use any biometrics, you can't use your face, you can't use your fingerprint. You can only use PIN, pattern, password. So in order to get to that though, you have to turn this on. Then, and I hope I'm not going to turn my camera off doing this, so my recording. So when we go to shut this down, there is, yeah, good, I'm still recording. There is lockdown mode. Now obviously if I hit that, it's going to stop recording, but if I hit that, all it does is reboots real quick, like almost instantly, and then the only way to turn it off, or sorry, to turn it on is with a PIN, pattern, or password. So that's it, really, in a nutshell, what lockdown mode is. You can also do side button settings, how to power off your phone. That just shows you the quick ways of how to powering it, how you can power it off. But that is it in a nutshell, how to do your lockdown. So remember, you have to go to lockdown first. You have to turn this on, and then when you try to reboot your phone, it goes into lockdown mode. So if somebody has your facial recognition, if somebody has your fingerprint, if somebody makes you use a fingerprint, this is a good way to get around all of that. And you can't, the only way again to get into it is PIN, password, or pattern. So that's my video on lockdown mode. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.